points, hear to them, listen to them, then after go with your regular classes. Done. Sayan Bhattacharya. His name is Sayan Bhattacharya. From your batch only, I think.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sayan Bhattacharya. So I have been in QSpider for around 4 months, and since then I've completed around SQL, Core Java, Web Technologies, and some of the core JDBC concepts. And recently HRT. SDLC and manual grooming. So thanks to the HR team, because they have been adding me to a whole lot of interview opportunities lately. So I had the interview on Saturday or Sunday, I guess, and it was only the technical round. They asked me simple questions on Java, Web Tech, and just some logical questions, and all of those were done in the class. So I answered all of them, and I received the offer letter, the document verification link yesterday only.
Question, it became simple question for him because he attended the class. Now what are questions they asked? The questions what they asked? Tell.
So the questions, first of all, they gave some. So first of all, they gave some coding questions. That were the simple array questions from Java. They asked me which language I was comfortable in. So I said it was Java, and they gave me some array questions. And after that, they asked me what is closures in JS, and some methods like call, find, apply, and some HTML and CSS questions. So all of these were like the coding questions, and the theoretical part were very easy. You have to just say the concepts, you have to just explain the concepts, and even if you don't remember the concepts, try to explain them by opening your VS Code or whatever you can. Just explain the concepts, you don't have to tell the definition. And other than that, they asked me some logical questions that I couldn't answer. The first one I couldn't answer, the second one I explained a bit, and well, I got selected. So I would like to thank SKS sir, HR team, and all the teachers that have trained me. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.